The Association of Gambian Students in Turkey held their 19th gathering in Konya this year, 2026. The gathering brought together different students from different schools in Turkey. We spoke to some of them, and this is what they have to say.
Hi, my name is Maimuna Fatajo. I am Gambian, Mandinka by ethnicity. I am currently studying in Turkey. It's my second year of nursing school. I'm also a double major student, also majoring in counseling psychology. Um, Mostly, it would be my desire for achievements and leadership positions. Um, it is my second year, and the position I took from last year was being an Istanbul representative. And my aim is to climb up the ladder to the presidential position, inshallah, by next year. What I would describe it as, what it means for me and how I see it, is home away from home. That is the simplest you can describe it as, because it is an environment we create for ourselves where we make it um, welcoming to our own people from the Gambia who come to Turkey without knowing anything, especially the language and everything. So it is an organization that helps students navigate life outside of Gambia, especially if it's their first time, with the help of previously previous students that were here and their experiences and the things they had to go through. So, as an Istanbul representative, one of our many aims is to help students navigate life in the city. So, mostly we focus on new students when they come in, we help them register for school, help them find apartments or other things that they might be struggling with that they have no idea with. And as it was said earlier, we introduced a new booklet where we have common Turkish phrases translated into English, just so that they are able to catch up quicker, because it is very hard gathering students all together, which happens once a year. So it is harder to deal with students one on one. Also, some of our achievements is going on meetings with our partners where we talk about how to sponsor students, especially students who do not come from a very stable background and who might be struggling with a lot of things. We also have student loans that we give out. So we have an account where like we give out student loans and they are expected to pay it back in a certain amount of time. So that really helps them knowing that okay, they are borrowing it from our their own people and not outside or doing something that is illegal to get the money. So it is home away from home.
min inde am ko Ibrahima Dem. So mi ɓooyi ɗo toki ɗo en nden e ngarnomi first time ko saare wonde gonnomi ton janngumi ko ɓe mbiyata undergraduate ɗum ɗon ko duuɓi nayi, kono minen ko scholarship min garduno, so ko ɗum waɗi min janngi ɗum duuɓi joyi. Sabu si a ari fos ko haala ka janngata, si a janngi haala ka pari on tuma puɗɗoɗa ko janngata ko en. Ko janngumi o ko ɓe mbiyata biomedical engineering, ko affaire cellal e affaire machine ŋaaji gonɗi to to l'hôpital to ɗo en, hoɓe mbatta ɗin machine ŋaaji, hoɓe mbattata ɗi, hoɓe pewnata ɗi, ko minen pewnata ɗum fof. To Gambia ko saare wiitende Murtaɓe, ɗum ko hakkunde Makkati e Birkama ba woni. Eyyi joni ngal ɗo dental si a laari ɗo ko heewi ko toon ko janngoɓe. Joni si sukaɓe ngari ɗo janngude, hewɓe ni ta ko ɓi pamɗi, jommumen ta ganda hay goto. So ko ɗum waɗi si ɓe ngari tan wona min ni en min jahata to airport to en min ƴefta ɓe, min mbaɗana ɓe kayitaji mumen ɗi fof, affaire school o fof, kala ko ɓe poti hen wadde kayitaji yani min balla ɓe, ɓe tawto he association he, yani he dental hen. Joni wano ngal ɗo ni dental, sabu minen komin garnoɗo woɓɓe ballunomin. Joni hande ɓen ɓe ngala ɗo, hande ko minen gonɗo, minen ballata wonɓe ɗo ɓen, min simin ngala ɗo han, wonɓe ɗo ɓen balla aroɓe ɓen. Eyyi joni si a laari nafoore nde nde ngal addi nde en, for exemple wattu corona arnoɗo en, ɗo dental ngal haalduno e laamu gambiyan wen, ɓe wi ok sukaɓe ɓe tampi, laamu ngu ne walli ɓe he kalis he dulaji ɗeɗo ɓe ngoni. Inen dental ngal ne ngal i walla sukaɓe gandiranta si ɓe pari ɗo janngude, ɓe i jogii kayitaji moƴƴi, i walla ɓe waggol application ji ɓe njaha dulaji goɗɗi sina ɗum han ɓe jaɓe ɓeydoya gandal he université ji goɗɗi tinnani si a laari dental ngal si goɗɗo ari ɗo jangude joom muɗum anda hay goto ko minen jata to airport to en min ƴeftaɓe min gartira ɓe kala toto ɓe gonata min naɓaɓe toon siko dométrie ɓe gonoyta sikoye cuuɗi ɓe gonta mbiɗen ɗaɓɓanaɓe foof an kala ɗo ɓe mbawi wonde eyyi joni wano ngal ɗo dental ni en wona fulɓe tan gonɗo fulɓe giɗo seɓɓe giɗo joolaɓe giɗo leƴƴi ɗi foof giɗo kono kala mo jiiɗa ɗo ko Gambia iwri eyyi joni ko minen gonɗo ko minen ballodirta komin family goto hani komin dental gotal eyyi ko ɗum mbawi ko kalanmi jarama.
Man Dawda laa tudd Dawda Lo maa ngi jógee Abuko laa dëkka so tokki fii moom maa ngi fi ñëw in 2020 ma study at the National Defence University so currently moom graduate naa waa di sant yàlla bu baax rek di am ngir bégte tamit parce que ñun fu nekk tokki nii gathering bi nii am na solo trop ba pare association bi tamit am na solo parce que da ngaa gis ne association bi lu ñoo lig fépp fu nga xamante soo jógee benn place dem beneen place fekk sa fa say mbokk rek da ngaa gis ne fooy dem daf laa yomba parce que ñun buñ jógee fii nii ñëw tooki fekkuñ fi woon like xamuñ toon Gambien si bëri daal ñun dëkk nekkoon si school bi te loolu daf dee métti trop léegi nag nga toog foofu noonu xam nga wéet waaye bu nga demee ba nga xamante ñoo Gambien si ba join association bi rek yomboon na trop parce que dimbale woon nañ ñu about tooke anything luñ nitoon rek dañ ko daan seen foofu noonu laajte leen am nañ fa ay mentor yu nga xamante ne lépp luñ leen laajte rek dañu daan mën a ansa wax ñu like naka la ñoo mën a def rek ba am ko in tooki so jàppale woon nañu bu baax a baax at the same time tamit di nga gis ne soo toogee place tamit gisuloo sa mbokk léegi nga wéet waaye soo génnee rek dajee say mbokk rek da ngaa gis ne lu nga def rek mooy da ngaa feel at home te association bi provide na loolu soo dañoo am mbégte bu baax a baax ba pare tamit gathering bii nii nga xamante ne tey ñu ngi ko am rek muy annual gathering bi nga xamante ne every year dañ ko dee def tamit du baax la parce que fii nii la ñoo wone during the year yëpp lan leen def lañ leen liggéey association bi lan leen def ba pare tamit lan leen fas yéene def ñu exécutif buy ñëw tamit fii lañ leen a sélégué and at the same time tamit suñ jógee foofu noonu rek ñu ñëw mu fee forward yëpp fii lañ ko dee décider ba pare tamit bii daf di gathering bi daf di jox Gambien su fi nekkee yëpp opportunity pour ñu mun a meet pour ñu mun a xamante parce que loolu baax na trop te am na solo ndaxte su ëllëgee rek da ngaa gis ne ñun ñii ñooy bokk di liggéey loolu am na solo trop bu baax a baax.
Ndito mo hajjalti Hajja Traoré mbe toki jade mbe study ka international relations mbe wala study ka my third year benna study saba nyawalta mbata yaram mamba but toki jambe churumle yeah, but we are here today in Konya at be Konya le for August meeting no ke for say I think like kontano I met a jet ninga benole nyoje but very not a young like Sanji Sabanindol Banyoje but be near more interactive, we had fun. So it's a memory dal nala. Kumaya is to come to Gambian be nothing and come to share because like more with different cities, like with different experience dole. So coming together, no more that we'll share our perspectives, come talking to get help from each other, to build friendship, relation, would be so it's very important.
Reporting from Konya in Turkey, Binta Estiao, Bessel Media.